May it please the court, comma, I am representing the respondent, comma, Charles Jones, period. I believe that you were the presiding judge at the time of the original hearing, period. I was not present, semicolon, nor did I represent the respondent at that time, period. The first hearing in this matter was held before this court on February 23rd, 2017 in support of the affidavit of the respondent, and as I understand it, the respondent appeared without counsel, period. Your Honor asked him at that time if he was represented by counsel and if he could afford to hire counsel, period. The respondent answered both in the negative, period. Your Honor later advised him that he should seek counsel because you did not think it was wise for him to proceed without counsel, period. Then, as I understand it, court was adjourned, and the parties sat around for a while outside in the hall, and from what Mr. Jones tells me, and by his affidavit, the parties had a conference, and he did not hear any more about it, so he left, period. He did not, as he recalls, receive any notice of any subsequent hearing, period. I have checked with Mrs. Calder, and I have looked at the original court records in this matter, and it does appear, I am not testifying for Mrs. Calder, but I know that it does appear, that there was a notice of a hearing which appears to have been delivered by hand to the defendant at that time on the 23rd, period. However, the respondent complains that he did not understand that another hearing was to be held on March the 7th. As I understand, the notice indicates, period. Apparently, the hearing was held on March 7 in his absence, period. A court order was issued on the 16th of March, period, but this court order was never served on the defendant for one reason or another, and I don't know why it was not, period. He was arrested on September 23rd, 2017, period. The first notice that the defendant had of this court order on March 16th was whenever it was read to him in the open court by the clerk, and this is indicated in the record also, period. He posted a bond of $800 and some dollars, which apparently was the amount that was due under the court order at that time period. I believe that was $882 period. He thereupon was released, comma, and he, comma, of course, comma, has not paid any payments of any amount, period.